From freezer to feast, 3 ways to cook Secondz puffs. Welcome to the wonderful world of Secondz. Today, we're turning up the flavor with our ready-to-cook puffs. No thawing needed, just cook them straight from frozen. 3 easy cooking methods, same delicious outcome. Let's get started. Craving convenience? The air fryer's got you covered. Place your puffs on the rack. If they are not able to stand on its base, flip them halfway through for even cooking. Hot tip: want that golden glow? Brush on a little egg wash before cooking, or spritz lightly with cooking spray. Set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. 16 minutes later, they're golden, flaky, and ready to devour. And yes, the trusty toothpick is your final checkpoint. Next up, baking. It's the perfect way to bring out that flaky golden crust. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your puffs in an oven-safe dish. And if you're feeling fancy, brush them with a little egg wash. Golden brown is always in style. Hot tip: cooking spray works too if you're out of eggs. After 18 minutes, grab a toothpick and check if it comes out clean. If it does, you're good to go. Let them rest for a few minutes before diving in. Feeling indulgent? Let's fry these beauties. Heat up some oil to 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Slowly place your curry puff in, one at a time. 6 minutes is all it takes to achieve golden perfection. Use a slotted spoon to scoop them out and let that extra oil drip back into the pot. And don't forget the toothpick test. Crispy on the outside, bold flavors on the inside, pure magic. Hot tip: this method is my personal favorite and tastes the best. Air-fried, baked, or fried, it's your puff, your way. With authentic Southeast Asian flavors packed inside, every bite is a celebration. Secondz curry puffs, authentic, joyful, and always easy to make. So go on, give yourself Secondz.